Hello beautiful people, so today we are going to look at my analysis for the week on gold. Alright, I've already done the analysis, so for this one I will just be breaking down on what I'm anticipating. At the moment we are looking for ways on which we can capitalize and on say this small pullback to cover this monthly fair value gap, so that we can push up to this 61 extension, Fibonacci extension, and these are 100% Fibonacci extension. All right, so the 61% it's around 6k, and the 100% is around 7500. So I'm anticipating price to retrace back to this zone, monthly fair value gap, then push to another all-time high. So let's begin our analysis. I'd like to start the market on the H4 time frame, so because the higher time frame really gives us the bias on what the market is doing or what to anticipate on the market. So currently we are on a bearish move, so I'm expecting a price to break down below this zone and come down to this demand zone, so that we can push higher to this around to this H3 supply zone, to this supply zone here. So on that, let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can have a good structure. Market imetupea a good structure here, and this is a change of character. We have equal lows here, that is obviously liquidity as you know it, and this is an engineered liquidity. This is liquidity being formed here. So as we move, we zoom out, we go to the 30 minutes time frame. Here we will see that we have a break of structure. This is liquidity here. I call this liquidity, and as I've named here, so that when price taps here, goes up, and probably will sweep this liquidity, reach our target area, and really drop down to cover the higher time frame monthly fair value gap. So on this engineered liquidity, I'm expecting price to drop, tap this demand zone, push a little bit up, then go down, sweep the early buyers, then we distribute up. That is my anticipation for next week. All right, so we had this sweep, had a change of character, a market structure shift, liquidity that I'm expecting to be swept, because most people will buy from this zone and put their stop losses below this zone. So I'm also expecting them to be taken out, so that we distribute up. Right, so on that, let's go to the 15 minute time frame. So we are not going to look at this buy zone, because I'm currently expecting this pullback to this zone. All right, if the market does not pull back to this zone, I'm expecting a breakout to this zone. My target will only be here. I will not be targeting these zones here. My target will be this liquidity if we break above this zone. Okay, so and as for now, let's go down to where why I'm expecting this drop down. The drop down, we will view it on the minute 5 time frame. All right, let's zoom it well. In the minute 5, this here is liquidity that has not been taken out, and we have multiple rejection here. This act like a support or resistant zone here, and these people that are in here must be taken out. I'm very sure we have other sellers from this zone who are really expecting the market to do something like this, tap this, and then the stop losses around that zone, then we target the same lows. But that is not what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating price to tap here, lie a little bit that we're going down, then go up to take this one out, and then we drop down. Okay, so for that we have a change of character. Now liquidity sweep, that is an entry criteria for those who will enter here, for those who use the SMC. But as always, gold loves kutoa watu nje a lot of the time. So I'm expecting price to come, do something like this, drop a little bit, then move, take those out, then we drop down. Okay, that is what I'm anticipating. So for now, let's just wait. That is my analysis for gold, and I'm really looking forward to that. Either way, if we tap here and we drop, there is no problem. I'm still waiting for this higher time frame move to the upside. That is my expectation. Anyway, the target for this zone here is because I'm pretty sure this is also a demand zone. Most buyers will come here. There are some buyers that will come here and probably distribute up, but on this one I'll require small confirmation. So if I do 15-minute time frame, you'll see the reason why I put the TP for this sale around this zone, because of that thing here. You see it? That is the reason. I wish you all the best. Just always remember, wait for your plan, make sure your plan plays out, and if it doesn't play out, the market is still there. The market is not going anywhere. So peace out, and let's meet on the next one. Adios muchacho. Okay, adios muchacho.